What are you doing up here then? Huh? You exploring, yeah? Wanna go explore in there? Explore down this way, is it? Oh, Bon, don't go round the tree. Hey! This way. Come on, don't go round the tree. Oh, Bonz. I don't like the look of this hill. Come on, Bonz. Let's see what's up here. Come on then, let's go up this hill. See what's up there. Yo, Bonza. Right, I've come to this crossroads, but I think I'm following that yellow route there. I think. So I'm going to go this way. Come on, Bonz. Let's see what's down here then, girl. Had to put her back on a lead because of the dogs, and one of them just tried to shag her, didn't he, babe? Yeah, we don't want that, do we? We don't want puppos. Come on in, lead the way, Bonza, lead the way. I'll go under there now because I won't be able to get you back. What have you seen? Blanket on there. Come on. Ooh. Thing is now we've got all this uneven floor going downhill, and if she sees another dog she's going to pull me while I'm trying to walk slowly down here, and she's wrapped around my legs now, look. Jesus. Right, don't pull me down, Bonz. Oh, oh, can't do that. Gonna go in there now. She don't mind still water. This flowing water she don't like. Nope, not too keen on that one either. Come on, you big pansy, get in there. Go on, girl. Gonna try again. You drink all the water, do you? Come on then. Thanks for that. There's a crap throw, wasn't it? Sun is coming through, Bonzy girl. Providing I don't get lost, I think this might be my new favourite walk. Because it's been lovely. Weather has been a bit bad, but seems to be brightening up now, and it's quite slippery. Yeah, this will be a lovely summer walk. Here comes the rain again. The boy just tried to run up there and fell back down. I wonder if she'll try again. Oh, she done it this time. Can you get back down now? I might have to carry you down. Please don't break a leg, Bonz. How are you going to get down, Bonz? Oh God, oh God. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay then. Big wide open area now. I love the way the trees look, you know, all the straight. It's like a horror film or a fairy story. Like you can imagine this on like on a frosty day or a snowy day. Like that'd be amazing, wouldn't it? There's some more markers here. Look. So what I've read is the yellow one, which is the one I'm following, is the circular route, and the red one is a longer route, I think. So we'll find out when we Bonz. But we got time before Annie's out of school, so I think Annie would like this walk as well, because she's always saying she wanted to go to a forest, and this is about as forest as you can get, isn't it? So I know it doesn't look like we're on the camera, but this is downhill now. She's up there, mind. But this is downhill, so I'm assuming I'm going back to the castle now. Oh Jesus, Bonz, what are you going to do? That's about 6.5 foot high, like. Bonz, please. Why have you got to do this? Oh, and straight up our side. There's a hill and a round stone. So, Bonz, what, fetch? Oh, don't go over the edge. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, don't go down there, Bonz. Bonnie, don't worry about it. It's gone. Bonnie, I said don't go down there. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought it was, but still. There's other stones around, but that was just one stone in a million, I was, mate. Oh, God. Because see, the problem is, you're going to go down there, get stuck, and I'm going to have to come down there and get you, and And I'm having enough trouble coming down this one. Are you ready? Go! Why has he got to go down there all the time? Down the bloody edge. It looks like there's a pathway down there. Tarmac road. So I think this might be the end of the route. But we shall see. I don't know where I'm going to come out by. I'm parked by the castle, but I think the castle is further up that way. But we'll see when we Bonza. So I want to show you how good Bonnie is at going back on her lead, right? Let her walk off ahead now. Right, so I want her to go back on her lead now. Bonz. Come on then. Good girl. Yeah, so there's the entrance. So I've come down right at the bottom of the drive up to the castle. So the only thing is now we got this hell of a hill to walk up to the car. But we'll do it when we Bonz.